Hello, welcome to NX2506 New Functionality for Multi-Axis Additive Manufacturing. In this video, we will examine enhancements to build styles and printer profiles. When printing parts, custom process parameters are often used for different portions of the calculated cutter path. One new build style rule option is to create custom process parameters based on the length of the individual pass in the cutter path. Looking at this simple trapezoidal-shaped part, a machine operator may wish to use different process parameters where the pass is shorter, shown on the left, from the parameters for the longer path sections shown on the right. Alternatively, when looking at a donut shape, it is often desirable to use a slightly slower feed rate on the larger stepovers on the outside of the part, and a slightly faster feed rate on the stepovers on the inside of the part. This can all be accomplished by using new length-based rules inside the build styles. Here, we created 4 different rules. One rule is for when the path is less than 20 millimeters, the next less than 30 millimeters, the next less than 40 millimeters, and the last one when the individual path is larger than 40 millimeters. Rules are read and used from bottom to top. Once a rule is satisfied, that rule is used. This is why the rules are organized from smaller length to larger length in this example. To create a rule, select New. Provide a name for the rule. Select your options for the rule, length in this case, and provide the data for the rule. Then press the plus button to create a rule. Once completed, you can add build style data that corresponds to the rule. In this instance, a different job number is being used for each length rule. Performing a toolpath list and searching for job, you can see the job number changing through the file. Similarly, a rule can be made for the stepover in the donut example. When the stepover length is less than 2.5 millimeters, it will trigger one rule, and when it is greater than 2.8 millimeters, a second rule is triggered. In this instance, all that is changing is the feed rate for the stepovers, slower for the larger stepover and faster for the shorter stepover. If we look at the toolpath list and search for feed rate, we can see those feed rates being used in the file. Lastly, the build style printer library has been enhanced to allow for copying and pasting material attributes from one material into another, even between different machines or printing technologies. Once the printer is checked out, simply right-click on the material and select Copy Attributes, then paste into another material in the library. This was NX2506, Multi-Axis Additive Manufacturing and Enhancements to Build Styles. Thank you.